Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from Rotary.com. I thought what I would do today is something a little bit different because I have made some expensive purchases when it comes to crafting, and some of them have been worth it, some of them I haven't, some of them I just wish I'd never bought, but that's a video for another time. So what I'm going to do is count down my top 5 expensive purchases that I have not regretted, that have been really helpful. I'm going to get them out one by one from least important to most important for me. You might obviously feel differently. So, this first one, heavy. This is a We Are Memory Keepers Cinch machine. This is for making notebooks or for binding notebooks. It's heavy and it was expensive, but it has been absolutely invaluable. There's a mini one you can get, which is just as good. So the main difference between this one and the mini one is that with this one you can use different size rings, but you can't with the mini one. You're sort of limited just to one size. In many ways the mini one is easier to use than this, but this is just amazing. It's not a purchase I regret because I've made a lot of notebooks, and with the ring binding and everything they look absolutely fantastic. So this is something, if you're interested in making notebooks or journals or colouring books, puzzle books, anything like that, then a ring binding machine is absolutely perfect, and this is the one that I absolutely recommend. But the mini one is absolutely fantastic as well. If that's all you have room for, if that's all you can afford, or you don't want to spend money on the big one, nothing wrong with the mini one at all. It's just as good in many ways. So that's the first one. So this is number 4. It is We Are Makers. It's a Cinch stack cutter. You can cut so many sheets of paper, especially printer paper, with this. I will leave a link to my unboxing video in the description so you can sort of check it out for yourself. But if you make a lot of notebooks and things like that, this is just absolutely fantastic. Never regretted this, even though it was expensive and it is extraordinarily heavy for some reason, but it is fantastic, and it saves cutting just 2 or 3 sheets of paper at a time. If you're making a notebook, you can just cut them all at once, but do be careful. I came to grief with this because I wasn't careful. Thankfully nothing permanent happened, but it wasn't pleasant at the time. But this is number 4 on my list. So number 3 is my Silhouette portrait cutting machine. Never once have I regretted that. It wasn't cheap, but it has been worth its weight in gold. I have made and sold stickers. I use it for sentiments, for die cuts. Just, you can make little notepads with it. You can make sort of little shopping lists, you know, you can make all kinds with it. And the beauty about the cutting machine is that even though I have my stack cutter, with a cutting machine, if I want a little notepad that's not going to have too many pages, then you can use the cutting machine because all the pages are going to be cut accurately. Every single one are going to be absolutely accurate, and you can have different designs on and things like that. Absolutely perfect. You can use a cutting machine for so many things. It can cut vinyl and all sorts. I'll leave links in the description for channels that offer better tutorials than I would for using a cutting machine. The next one on my list, this is number 2. This was a fantastic purchase. This is my Fiskars Rotary. I think it's a rotary trimmer. I think that's what you call it. I'll leave a link in the description anyway. This has been worth it in more ways than you can imagine. Absolutely incredible. And I think they come with a lifetime guarantee as well. It is solid. The only thing I don't like, I'll just show you if I can open it up. The only thing I don't like about it is that you can't really see the measurements between the 5.5 and the 6. That's the only thing. But somebody suggested that they used I think it was a piece of transparent acetate or something like that with the numbers on, but that's the only thing I don't like about it. But apart from that, this is absolutely incredible. Sorry, I don't know if you could see that there where I was showing you. Can't quite see the numbers, But the main reason, that doesn't bother me too much, because the main reason I wanted something heavy like this, or heavyweight, was so I could cut chipboard, so for when I'm making notebooks and things and planners and things like that. This cuts through chipboard like butter. Absolutely fantastic. Definitely pleased I bought this. So this is number 2 on my list. Number 1 on my all-time favourite purchases is my Epson EcoTank printer. It was the most expensive and I have got the most use out of it. It is incredible. Even though it was expensive, I have saved so much money on ink. I am going to do a review when I get to a year of using it, because it's just amazing how long the ink lasts, and I use it a lot. So the ink in there has barely moved at all since I bought it nearly a year ago. When I think of how much ink I bought when I was using a HP printer, the HP printer was fantastic. It's absolutely amazing quality, but it was costing me so much in ink cartridges. And ink cartridges, I think, are an absolute rip-off. I watched some videos that really made me realise that I was just wasting my money, and I felt ripped off, quite frankly. Not just HP, all of these printers that use the cartridges, I think, are ripping people off, because you barely get any ink in these cartridges anyway. Even the so-called extra large ones, they don't seem to last 5 minutes. So the EcoTank printer is just so incredible. If you do a lot of printing and you're sick of spending so much on ink cartridges, it might be worth considering an EcoTank printer, because in the long run you will definitely save money. I would say in this past year I've saved about 3/4 of what I would have paid in cartridges for what I paid for that, if that makes sense. So it is definitely paying for itself, and over time it will pay for itself, and you're not stuck with these printers that will only allow you to use their original ink, or you're stuck with a limited subscription that will only allow you to print so many sheets a month before they start paying you extra. That's what it was with me. With HP, they would only allow me to print so much a month with the subscription that I had, and then they would start charging it, and just ended up spiraling because I was printing too much. So that is my all-time favourite expensive purchase, is the EcoTank printer. Never regretted it. Absolutely over the moon. So there we go. Just a quick video on my top 5 favourite expensive purchases. If you have any more ideas, or if you have any comments on the things that I've showed you, please let me know. I'm always interested in any new products. I'm always interested in my viewers' opinions. So please don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. It will be really very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye bye now.